You know, Christian Pulisic, I could PM Milan, so see I kind of my AC Milan. Milan have been Croatia power.
Sir.
Oh, Italy been it's that close. Milan, Udine, Turin, it's that close to Croatia. Almost share border with Slovenia, and they share another border with Croatia. Into Croatia, no form hono. Omo Port City be or Croatia. I've been there twice. Rijeka, and then capital in Zagreb. There's another wait. Then that's really sir. Intino, Osha Adjumanum ya. Oni omo kasana no si o benfie. Intini di no mo friend the Pulisic. Dini ya Pulisic. You say in chief Croatia.
Yeah.
He has a part of him from there. Now, what can some be brave? Nani aje soba. You see, Milan is a bigger club than Chelsea. You know that?
Oh yeah.
Good. So he believes that the project is going to be a good one, but you be saying the Chelsea in some the other two Johnny say you know,
there are definitely times where I wish.
Could you have been given more opportunities, a better, regular, fair chance to prove yourself on the pitch for your previous club?
Of course, I'd like to think so. Of course, there are definitely times where I wish I could have gotten that, more of an opportunity and been that guy, but yeah, for whatever reason that's not the case, and like I said, I'm just so excited for this new challenge, and I'm definitely ready and up for it.
Could you have been given
okay interview now for obvious reasons ESPN. He's an American. Until it's only fair say he would increase his base there till my friend the Captain American. But on a second thought, Mira, SOMPA that's some no can meaning the agree.
Oh, Kwambiaso.
In the kind, he had a fabulous start. A very good start. You're signing him, and a transfer ban by, but he was allowed to play because he had been signed.
Okay.
In the Chelsea Vonica said they didn't get a direct replacement for Eden Hazard. Many of them agree because Hazard no skill set no. Maybe in the Premier League, even in Europe, it's difficult to find one. Hazard a flamboyant 1v1 demon as a winger, or no call 1v1 only on the wings or and then he could also invert into the middle and play as a number 10 or even a number 8.
Okay.
Until Hazard no skill set no. Maybe in the Premier League, and me my Premier League for some time. That skill set,
Edin
Sobinya has any problem near consistency and end product. And the masala ni man mupan hokoyen. Even though Bali league nim jaum, they offered consistency as wingers.
Okay.
So they got a replacement for Hazard in person, ne Pulisic. Now Pulisic ebayen. Sombe kaya. The first competitive game for them. UEFA Super Cup nominee Liverpool boy. And my word, he really took the game to Liverpool. I think he even scored. And about when say VAR no, he had a very good start. And you see, whenever he's on, he's good. Now problem then is strangely, like Keita, Chelsea ruined his body.
Oh, Kwambiaso.
Ocean history with injuries are all Dortmund no branch. On time pro praso on Chelsea aba. Then that ankle injury came in. The time I watched Bontia Chepa as a footballer no happened at Chelsea. And then if you know Bebano, now man for so home Bontia intimi your move from say Pulisic bebo.
Okay.
You get a difficulty. On his day, what they under Tuchel. Omokobo or Real Madrid no. That's semi-final. Yeah. Look, Pulisic was that good. But the problem was his availability.
And then we're proud.
Assembling now, no. It becomes a problem.
Because Chelsea Bobo Krana Obama team said,
he is a good player. Nemum na prano, ne body name to me. Intimate no woman Samira. Obeban no be a while, Chelsea players no doors armor. Even dressing room crowd is a question in the baby atna. Into no be prana bebano. Nyafina, ye could you be a film say bebo. Others had to play. Now with closer to home, natural home Croatia. I'm hoping that Milan would provide him with an opportunity to come back better. Pulisic has speed. he has skill, and he's a direct winger. And a goals on Zoom, Nemum Prano, and a Nedinia, and a name man Sports. And a Oprano of Prabontin Ba, Bebano, no be or what obo, Intiminko Panim film.
Okay.
So for me, that was the story. Prano Nedinia, but in terms of ability or what, oh, he's good. But the availability became a problem. And Chelsea ruined. Chelsea said anybody, his case is not any different from Navigators.
Ebasa medical team no more no intimate treating you.
See, from one environment into the other.
Okay.
From one environment into the other. Me eduane intimate sesame system, no. Okay. But ensure sesame system easily. So over the weekend, I was very careful with ensure, but no eduane. I don't care. Look, footballers no nipa. He moved from one environment into another. Dortmund, essence of the body, dynamics, BMI, body mass index, every biomechanics, different in crowd, meaning Pepe said they would tailor make a program that would help him. But Chelsea now, Abano, imagine so about at the heel of Hazard Echo, man, you have to play.
And the expectation also.
That was true. Until at Dortmund, Rebecca said, brah. But at Chelsea, Rebecca said, the far boy, a point, a hammer. Ebi asa 10 minutes now o force the abon e be damage you enti me gidi say from any adwin but the case was more of availability na on chain and Breno Dodo na and you see, when he's coming after you, it's a thing of beauty. Christian Pulisic, so I'm not a bar, but that is it. Dortmund no money papa. They use this father, of course.
So
ne papa ne coach juvenile football coach or US.
Okay.
Nti no omunim no Jürgen Klopp time ni nyina then Mislintat. Omunim no even Thomas Tuchel time they really knew him. Nti no omuni ne yes and man but will Chelsea have that time afi ne ko will be papa. Absolutely. Germany football culture is different, so it allowed him to do those things. Liverpool go through pre-season training, no? Them say never day 6, but the average pre-season now born
Brighton
quickly.
Sir.
Oh, of course, but if Liverpool have space, they will go there. And Memo be an Adam. I said, "Do you not drink? Say, in person about Chelsea inquire.
Offer be free, baby.
There Chelsea. Then he was that close to going to Arsenal. Just 6 months ago. 6 months per year. In the January transfer window. Ni bu ofo abetro on your internet so because they are man and Arsenal. Sandy panu jini this or catch us say me unkwa na mebo ama. Masa, you trust these people? For scanning more they on bebu, and Liverpool have already been there. Liverpool, they've already been there for McAllister. With James Milner and Lalana. So they would exactly know how to convince these people. Name is canon. Where the car could boo for McAllister. It's business.
Okay.
The idea that menene kasa look, and if they get these two out, they will push. Because I them away from that, the entire England for no akumyamoko fresh Saudi for them brano. I think I any details in here. Manchester United for no. Into amoko fresh Saudi Arabia for no. And they say Saudi Arabia for no deal no mo no. Add-ons be any.
You know we know we.
Look, just scanning now one payment. Make him 1, 2, 3.
Tunya bit me the balance book.
Just scanning ako. And then make you abnormal big money small. Look, the bit you any obeja na onje. Omu ni add-ons na oji we ebe ma ogoje den. Josi kako. And the scan omu nchichem omu training na one payment time ape no. Kache ebe to scan ma. Into e ma ho how. That's why all these people are happy to be dealing with them. So when you're 55 million, the only thing that could stop Liverpool from actively pursuing Caicedo, Levi Colwell.
Yeah.
Because then Chelsea will be angry. So what kind of hijack is this? But they won't be that in recent times. Chelsea and Arsenal agreed a deal for Alexis Chamberlain, only for him to decide otherwise. These are footballers. I'm scanning for mom in no munya structure sem because one kwa obi basis ya ombe pe pro amako tua se scanner onye wadwin se nka obi tua no ntino look so try ben no no agent because if Liverpool get space almost space in to Chelsea there no
okay
when they get Fabinho and Henderson out of their team they've gotten almost £400,000 a week of their wage bill. I said the one man abroad so 150. And no be a Fabinho Sika. You get the point. It's go for scan but if they don't do and because utie san sem na fa sa nipa ni me no ho Fabinho Henderson. All you hear is that Saudi for no pay response in them. And also Henderson akoka change the coach on the Hoko or Jiska.
It's kind of diabolo.
What are you saying?
SOMPA Sports.
Omo there ke. Omo kwako jo musika ko. So look, get them the money. Get them the money. For me di we ni mirror.
But 1 minute fena.
Mostly Juventus for no BB. Cristiano Giuntoli.
Omo new sporting that.
Yeah.
Omo ko town.
Omo more big money no. Omo mu di sika kese am. Omo no say omo nko trip ni bi no. Obeba so no aton. He's a rebuild master. He dey call Napoli for this team no. Okoye na Lorenzo Insigne move free team na monte ase. Khalid Koulibaly ko. Dries Mertens ko na monte ase. He'll get you the players you need. Weston McKennie on big money. Ko. Leonardo Bonucci ko. Denis Zakaria ko. Atomelo ko. Mun na mon ko trip ni bi. Ombe ko beba no. No wenye ska. Obe dini ga o Serie A no. He'll give money to the league. Juventus sika no. Omo mfa nkwa abontin. Sa players we do don omo ko form free abontin.
Papa me da se fa yem fancy ana ye be se aba na afisem ye dia ba ye be di nkomo kakra